Topeka men have been involved in a heated dispute with BNSF Railways for more than a decade, and now a court's decision to hear their case has them feeling hopeful.
KSNT News reporter Hannah Brandt joins us live from downtown Topeka. She tells us how this legal battle started and where it's now headed. Hannah?
Brooke and Jace, it was on train tracks just like the ones behind me where Brad and Larry used to work. And then an accident happened that they say derailed their jobs and their lives. Brad Mossbrucker says it was the fall of 2007. He and Larry Lincoln were doing their job as welders at a BNSF railway.
Train come by us leaking toxic chemicals all over me and my partner, and it got us real sick. Plenty of eye irritations, nosebleeds, sickness all the time.
They both continued to have health problems, but went back to work anyways. After a while, though, their medical bills began to pile up. So 3 years after the incident, they hired a lawyer to negotiate a settlement.
The amount that they offered us, we didn't feel justified or lost time. Called the union, they advised us to get a lawyer. When we did, the lawyers wrote a letter to them and they took us out of service.
So the two then tried to get different jobs at BNSF.
Applied for numerous jobs, over 20 jobs, and we never got any of them. They were treating us like we were people off the street.
Brad and Larry both felt they could do the jobs they applied for with their injuries. Because they felt they were being discriminated against, they then decided to file a lawsuit saying that BNSF had violated their rights. At first, a court dismissed their lawsuit, but just days ago, a court of appeals revived their claims. We reached out to BNSF about the court's decision, and they said, "The opinion from the U.S. Court of Appeals for the 10th Circuit speaks for itself and affirms BNSF's win on the vast majority of the plaintiff's claims. The court specifically allowed for further arguments for dismissal of the plaintiff's few remaining claims, and we look forward to taking the court up on that offer." But Larry and Brad are happy with the decision. They think that moving the case forward could help bring them what they want.
Hopefully peace of mind.
From day one, I just wanted my story to be heard by a jury, a panel of my peers. That's all I am asking, some fairness.
Brad and Larry's lawyer is telling me that the lawsuit is asking for money to make up for lost wages and damages for emotional distress. Live in downtown Topeka, Hannah Brandt, KSNT News.
All right, thank you, Hannah.